Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam number 330000230 doorstop kit for the SW100. And this video will serve primarily as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. SW100 swinging door. Overall length looks like it's about 2.5 inch. Come up with a thickness of this machined aluminum part. .322 thick over here. Okay. ID where the shaft's going to go through. I don't know how many splines there are in here. 0.9. My caliper telling me roughly 0.9 in the middle there. SW100 doorstop kit. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If there are any questions on the Besam 330000230 doorstop kit for the SW100 or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.